Alright. Now first and foremost, this is for entertainment purposes only. I don't recommend doing this because when you put a brake on here, these brakes are programmed differently in the ABS module. So they're programmed to send more fluid than your average ABS. So I don't recommend this, but it's Cadillac Brembo. Had to use the line from the Cadillac. You can't use your own line. But it's real easy. Got a 18mm and 11. And the hardware, this is going to cost you $75 if you try to buy this from GM. FYI. But it's pretty easy. Not only that, but the fluid they run is different as well. I got DOT3, but Brembos usually use DOT4. So it's not the same fluid. But I'm going to end up changing this to DOT4. Same bolt. So I guess you do gotta decompress these pads. So I got old brakes back on there, and now I'm just doing this. Get another one here. Keep going. There we go. Alright, seems to be maxed out. I think that's gonna leave me with a lot more room here. Alright, it's pretty easy to do compared to some regular brakes. Just gotta punch out these tips. Bottom one. Just go down to it. Easier here. Pads actually ain't too bad. I've been using these for a year now. These ain't even Brembos. Clips holding them in. There it goes. Old pins and clips. New pins and clips. These ain't even Brembo pads. So they are off a little bit. I think I use a little bigger rotor on this now, so I could get more pad length on there. Definitely missing some pad. But I still rather prefer them. This is pretty damn even wear. Let's clean that up now. That's what I did last time, and it seemed to protect it pretty good. That's here. Okay. There we go. Very nice pads. Very nice. Just like that. Alright. Clip here. One of these in first. Alright, let me get a punch here. Oh, it's locked in. Alright. Put a clip now. Straighten that one good. Alright. Let's clip here. Top. Oh, there we go. It's much better. Sweet. That's what I wanted to see. So yeah, you can see I'm missing some rotor here, so I could probably up that up a little bit. Get a slightly larger rotor for this. To be honest, you could probably take a Cadillac one. Alright, that's it. You know, just gotta bleed it now. Well, I'm gonna, you don't have to, but I like to bleed them, especially something like this. So, taking the cap off. Get my 11mm here. We're gonna tighten it. Now we're gonna loosen it. Cap down here. Hook up our brake line here. Go wash my hands. Alright, open this one up. We're gonna start with the inside first. Alright, we can close it up. Add a fluid. I'm just gonna keep doing this. So I got some clear fluid here. All fluid's looking better. Alright, get that back one. Time to get this front one done. Now we're gonna tighten this. Okay, now we're gonna loosen it. There we go. Put our thing on. bit of fluid here. I'll put a little bit more in there. Crack it open. That looks good. That's it, really. That's all I wanted to show you. Clean it off a little bit. Okay, back on there. Yeah, Cadillac Brembos on the Camaro.